Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a health and career reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of August 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. For your health, Sagittarius, let's see what we have. Hmm. We have the Ace of Cups. So your health is going to improve. It's like especially if you have heart related issues or stress related issues, you will be able to see some kind of improvements. Take care of your emotions. It's like your emotions are going to be a little bit imbalanced, overwhelming kind of emotional energy. Sometimes you're going to feel happy. It's like going in extremes. Either you're extremely happy or you're extremely sad. That you have to keep a check on. Okay, otherwise I do see some kind of improvements happening in your health sector. You might be taking some kind of water therapy kind of thing, or some kind of therapy that's related to water in some way. That's actually going to work out in your favor in a positive way. It's a very good sign. Take care of your water intake also. That is also going to help you up to certain extent to keep your health in check. So emotional highs or lows is going to be there for you. You have to keep them in check, and otherwise it's going to have impact on your health as well, physical health as well. I don't see major issues happening, but I do see improvement also. But these highs and lows of emotions can create issues for you. It can be like hormonal issues also. Please check yourself for that. Guidance is the Chariot. Yeah, it's like you might be very determined to make your health in a certain way, to make your health go in a certain way, to have a proper regime, to have a proper diet and everything. You should definitely do that. You should actually enjoy that, but don't be like stressed. Don't be overly obsessed with that. The Chariot is not the energy of obsession. Typical card reading, in typical card reading, Chariot doesn't represent obsession. In your case, because I do see emotional imbalance, ups and downs, there might be this energy of, okay, no matter what, I am going to do certain kind of things, and I'm going to do them exactly the way it should be. There should not be any kind of changes in that whatsoever. That can create some kind of issues for you. Check out for that. Okay, so don't be so overly obsessed, or don't be so much in this energy of I should have this thing exactly like this, otherwise I don't want it, right? A little bit flexible energy is required from your side. The stubbornness might create a little bit issues. For those of you who are doing job or working for others, we have the Magician here. So you might be manifesting another job or some kind of improvement in your job or career area. You doesn't seem to be very happy about the job that you are working in right now. It's not like you hate it, but you don't feel very happy about it, or you don't feel like this is the end game for you. This is the job of your dreams or career of your dreams or something like that. It might be helping you in paying your bills, or keep you going or something, but it might not be the dream job kind of a thing. So you are manifesting this energy of wanting to have a dream job, a dream career in your life. So it's like right now just wishing to have that, not doing much about it, just wishing and just manifesting it. Maybe not consciously. Wishing is also manifestation in game, actually, in process. So this is what I'm seeing here. You are trying to manifest a good job, a good career opportunity. There might be some kind of manipulative kind of energies, manipulation, mind games kind of energy going on around you, and you are trying to come out of that also. Hmm. For your guidance is the Ace of Pentacles. See, whatever you are trying to manifest, you can exactly get it. So keep on manifesting also, that is also important, but take the necessary actions also from your side in order to make something happen in the real life, in the 3D world, right? If you want a brand new opportunity, if you want a brand new career, you guys have to make it happen. You guys have to take the action also from your side in order to achieve that. Otherwise there's no use of just manifesting it, trying to manifest it, and not doing anything about it. Inspired action is also very very important in making something happen in the real world. Okay, that is also very very important. For those of you who are doing business or self employed, we have the Knight of Swords. You might be trying to run away from the accountability, from the situation right now. It's becoming too much for you, or you are not able to handle. You might be overwhelmed with the business thing. You might be overwhelmed with so many things happening at the same time. It's like you might not be able to process these many things at the same time. So instead of facing it, trying to take the accountability, you are trying to run away from this, like, okay, I will handle it later on. It's like a procrastination kind of energy, or deliberately putting things on hold kind of energy, because you need a break. You want to catch your breath or something. You are in this energy of, okay, this is too much for me, I can't handle it, I can't manage it, and or somebody is suddenly going to leave the collaboration partnership that they are having with you, and that is going to create a major issue in your business thing. Although I do say it's a temporary thing, you will be able to catch up with the with this newfound with this new changing energy, but for the time being it's going to be a little bit difficult to manage. For you, the guidance here is the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm telling you, you are feeling like this is overwhelming energy. You are not getting what you want, or you're not getting something the way you wanted it in your business area. So you might be overwhelmed and trying to run away, trying to procrastinate instead of doing something about it. See, Five of Pentacles, if you are not going to handle this situation with care, with proper maturity and understanding of what's going on, you definitely are going to face the losses, face the consequences in the coming future. I'm not trying to scare you, or make you feel like, okay, you're not worthy or something. Don't try to manipulate the readings, honey. Just the kind of person I am going to exactly say what I'm getting, even if it is going to bother you or hurt you. So don't try to interpret things in your way, because mind have this tricky energy. Our mind always have this tricky energy and power of manipulating the words according to what we want to hear. All I'm trying to say here is, if you are not going to take care of this situation right now, this can definitely lead you into some kind of financial trouble in the coming future, and it's not like very far, this troublesome energy. So take care of your business thing, take care of your money thing, take care of whatever is making you feel like in the stressful kind of energy. Resolve the issues right now with patience, and you will be able to get out of this situation or make the required amends in the situation properly. If taken care of this situation right now, this situation can be resolved and recovered actually. If not, this can convert into something really terrible kind of thing. You think about it. If you are somebody who is looking for a job seeker, or planning to start their own business, the Fool card is telling me that you might get the opportunity, and you might jump into that opportunity without even thinking about it. It's like you being ready to take the leap of faith with the universe, because you feel the universe got your back, and all you have to do is to jump into the unknown. So you might have this tendency to jump into some kind of offer, or partnership or something without thinking. I'm not saying it's bad or good, it is what it is. You might get the opportunity, a job opportunity also, for people who are trying to start their own business. Then also there are good chances that you will get the opportunity. But this opportunity is going to come with some kind of risks. It is not coming towards you like with a very secure kind of safe kind of energy of like, yeah, this is a path and you have to just walk on it and everything is going to be sorted. This opportunity is going to come with a lot of ups and downs, and maybe with not a great secure and safe kind of energy. Now up to you. Yeah. Guidance is the Six of Wands. See, do not get fooled by instant fame or instant success kind of deals. The things that are going to make you feel they are too good to be true, question them properly, understand them properly before jumping into any kind of business partnership or job or career opportunity. Think about it properly and honestly, then go ahead with that, because there's nothing instant. Instant success is very rare. I'm not saying it never happens, but instant success is not something reliable. Yeah. So take care of whatever decision you are going to take regarding a new job offer or new career opportunity or new partnership in your business thing. Please read all the documents properly, contracts properly, make the deals fairly. Otherwise, this can be a risky kind of a thing. Take calculated risks only, okay? Just like mutual funds are subjected to market risks, this situation is definitely subjected to some kind of risks included in this one. Now it's up to you if you want to get it or not. Your finances, the Page of Pentacles, it's going to be just slight improvement in your finances. Let's say only 1% improvement or 2% improvement, but 1% improvement is also improvement. Either you will be able to save a little more or make a little more money, or your investments are going to give you a little bit good result. Whatever it is, your finances are going to go a little bit up than they actually are, and it's going to make you feel like, okay, we are growing slowly but surely. Good. Guidance here is the Four of Pentacles. You don't have to hold on to this particular savings or investments only. It's like, keep your options open to invest in other things only, or have multiple sources of savings or investments. Okay, don't rely on one thing only to save or to invest your finances. Don't be too much obsessed with one particular thing. you know diversify your finances, and you will be able to get results. Do it smartly. If you are not able to handle it right, like by yourself, take help from somebody who can help you in doing that. Okay, do it smartly. Don't play with money. Okay, cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.